In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your domains using the hPanel interface. We'll break this down into a few simple steps to ensure you're comfortable navigating your dashboard and understanding the features available to you. First, you'll want to log into your hPanel. This is your centralized control hub where you can oversee all aspects of your hosting service, from managing your websites and domains to monitoring site performance. If you're a frequent user, you likely already have your login credentials stored, but make sure you're logging in securely, especially if you're accessing from a public or shared network. Once you're in, your next move is to locate the domain section. You'll see a range of options on the hPanel dashboard, and the domain section is where we want to head. This is your go-to area for anything related to your web addresses. Experiencing any difficulty finding it isn't unusual, but typically it's prominently displayed given its frequent use. After clicking into the Domain section, you'll need to scroll downwards until you reach the My Domains tab. This tab acts as a repository of sorts for all your domains. Under this tab, you'll discover a comprehensive list detailing each of your domains. This view is beneficial because it includes not only domains that you've purchased directly through Hostinger, but also any external domains that you've linked to your hosting plan. This feature is particularly useful when managing multiple websites or transitioning domains between different hosting services. Exploring the My Domains list, you'll find it neatly organized, offering a straightforward view and quick access to domain-specific settings and options. Here you can perform critical tasks such as renewing domain registration, updating DNS settings, or transferring domains if needed. A helpful tip while navigating this section is to pay close attention to the badge notifications and expiration dates for each domain. These visual cues can alert you to any immediate actions required, such as renewal notices, which if overlooked, could lead to unwanted downtime or additional charges. Being proactive and maintaining an organized schedule for domain renewals can save both time and potential complications in the future. Another thing to keep in mind is the use of external domains. If you've included any third-party domains in your list, you should verify that these domains are properly pointed to your server and consistently checked for any changes that might affect their functionality, especially if the DNS records are managed externally. So, there you have it. Navigating through the hPanel to manage your domains is a matter of starting with the basics and understanding what each section holds. By following this walkthrough, you'll be better equipped to handle your domains efficiently and effectively. Whether you're launching a new site, streamlining multiple domains, or ensuring everything's in order, you're now prepared to manage it all directly from your hPanel.